Hey guys, today we are going to get rid of these potatoes, or harvest them out, because as you can see, some of them are dying, some of them are still green, but let's just see how we go. I've got a wheelbarrow next to me, and that wheelbarrow is for all of my junky bits, so get those out and let's pull up the first potato. And that was uneventful. There's also a potato here. We've got our dogs here, sorry guys. I'm going to get my cameraman just to zoom in so you can actually see the pot. Okay. So, here's another one. As you can see, the seed potato has completely died out as well, so I reckon there is potatoes lingering in here somewhere. The bed's looking pretty wet because it's been raining for a couple of days. So I don't know what we're going to find in here. Found a mushroom. It's a little baby mushroom. Okay. Oh, we got our first potato. Oh, there's a few potatoes in here. Look in there. Look. There's quite a few in there. So here we go, up the bucket here. Get these out. Got a lot of involvement and help. Oh wow, look at these sizes. They're quite good. And Goku here thinks that it's food. Okay, see what. Okay, here we go. Another one. And a snout here, trying to eat it. Oh wow. Well, there's actually less seed potatoes in this one, and it was the store-bought variety, and it's actually, I feel like, doing kind of better. Like we already have more than we did last time. Okay, oh, here we go. Oh, that one's a nice size. Medium potato there. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to get rid of some of the soil to my wheelbarrow so I can get in. I've had some more potatoes so far, which is interesting because the other one I had heaps of little small ones. Hey Goku. Nothing in that straw there. Okay. Don't see much at the moment. There we go, that must have been the bottom of that plant. Yep. There we go. That's the original seed potato there for another one. And we've got quite a few out of that one plant. We're all the way at the bottom of the bucket today. Another one. Ooh, a little baby one. Look at her, she's tiny. Here we go. We've done about 75 days at the moment with how long these have been sitting in the ground for. When usually should leave them for about 90, but I kind of want these garden beds for things, so I'm starting to empty them out. Oh look, another mushroom. Okay, now let's start on the other side. Start going this way. They want to help us. There we go. All debris. Should be, but there was a seed potato in here before, so I only put a few in here. Only a few of the actual plants grew out, so I wasn't expecting much. This is a lot more than I thought. Especially considering these were the store-bought ones, which done surprisingly well. They were store-bought ones that were just sprouting in my pantry, so stuck them in the ground. Hope for the best. Get all this soil out, make it easy to dig. Okay, let's start from here. Nothing in the straw. Oh, is that a seed potato? No, it is a stone. Oh, oh, this must be a bundle coming up. A little small one there. Must be something in here. clay soil on this one side. Oh, that was just a random foreign one. Okay, let's start on this side. Yep. Pull this out. Oh, all the straw wants to come with it. Let's clear some of the straw first. Oh! This must have been a Desiree that I popped in here. Oh! Desirees are typically kind of tiny, but these ones are very small. I think this one plant wasn't ready to go yet. That's okay. It's also a bit irregular, which means that the watering was a bit irregular for that as well. Didn't like it. This one was in another bucket before, and the bucket was just getting overcrowded, so I thought to take that out. So I think that would be another reason why. Let's see if we can find anything else. My bucket's getting covered in dirt. Anything in here? No. Very small Desiree patch. Oh, there are some small white potatoes down here as well. Yes, very tiny. And there is that, I think is the original seed potato. Yes, it was. That mushy substance. These ones are also done poorly. We got some random small ones. It's funny, the left side did much better than the right side. Don't know why that is. Significantly wetter on this side though. Oh wow! Oh, look at all the mushrooms in there. Baby mushrooms trying to come out. That's wild. Okay, I think we are nearly done. I think that is it for the lot. Excuse me, Goku. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you for your help. And that was it. So, got this bucket. It was looking really promising, and then it wasn't looking so promising. I don't know why. The left side did better than the right side, and like I said before, I wasn't thinking much of this bed because there wasn't many that grew out, but I'm surprised with what we did get. So we will take these inside and we'll weigh them now. So I have my scale ready to go, and sorry about the mess, they're from the potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I've got a clean version of the same bowl, and I'm going to use this to tear out my weight. Okay, and now let's bring up the potatoes. Potatoes are 1.2 kilograms. Wow, go us.